It was on October 24, 2015 when I randomly said yes to you without you asking. I felt that at that moment, sigurado na ako that it's you who I would want to spend my life with. That God finally gave me a man na mamahalin ko at mamahalin ako.
Tayong lahat, binigyan ng Panginoon ng napakagandang regalo. Ang regalong to, gamitin natin to decide to love, honor, worship, and serve God.
Dito na tayo sa bago nating simula. Simula ng pagkain ng sabay sa umagahan. Simula ng mas malalim na pagsasamahan. Simula ng sabay ng pagtuklas kung paano haharapin ang bawat pahina ng buhay ng magkasama.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
Nagkakilala kami when we met as candidates for student council back in 2015 sa Letran. First impression with Jeff, syempre, not so good ang angas kasi nung dati.
First year pa lang kami, nakikita ko na siya sa bus kasi doon dumadaan yung bus from Tansa sa Bacoor dati. Nakaupo siya, ako nakatayo. Pero curious lang ako kasi taga-Letran din siya. But eventually, come by third year, ayun, doon kami formally nagkakilala sa student council.
What made me convinced na he's a good or okay na guy was when I saw him or kung paano niya itrato yung mom niya. Kasi for me, yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko is respectful siya towards women and other people. He is very friendly. At the same time, he's also very generous and helpful. Yun yung mga bagay na yun. Just some of the many things that I liked about him.
My hardworking man deserves this gift. See you later, love. I love you.
Hi, love. Thank you for everything. You deserve to be happy for the rest of your life. I will always love you. Enjoy your day. I love you, Jeff.
Let us all wave our table napkins as we welcome the sweetest, the happiest, and the most loving couple, Mr. and Mrs. Geronimo, the couple of the year.
Ang dulo ay natatanaw.
Trina, ayan, hi. Nandito na tayo. I hope na tupad ko yung pre-promise ko before tayo mag-30, mapapakasalan kita. And I know na marami tayong hardships and struggles na pinagdaanan, pero nalagpasan natin yon, and our relationship is a testimony of God being the provider. I'm thankful na nakilala kita, cliche man, pero I will do my best to grow old with you.
Wow, 8 years had already passed. Sobrang bilis. I've always known naman na dito tayo pupunta sa araw na to because yun na yung goal natin. I mean, when we started dating, we never really thought of, breaking up or hindi papunta dito yung relationship natin. And I'm happy that from 2015, andito na tayo ngayon. In 2023, I'm about to get married. And I'm excited to spend life with you.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain.
Pangakong mamahalin ka, ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Nangangakong gagawin ang lahat para sa iyo at sa ating magiging anak. Magiging iyong kapahingahan, higit sa lahat, nangangakong sa Panginoon lang titingin kung paano magmahal.
I will be your best friend who will be with you, drink more coffee with you, support you, dream with you, care for you, pray for you, and understand you even on your toyo days.
Trina, love, mahal na mahal kita. Ito ang aking pangako na nadinig ng Panginoon at ipinagtitibay ng Panginoon. Trina, mahal kita ngayon, bukas, at sa panghabang buhay.
I will love you forever, and I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I love you, my favorite blessing.
ay babalik, babalik. Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay babalik, babalik sa simula.
I would like to present to you ang bagong kasal, si Mr. and Mrs. Jeff and Trina Heronimo. Magharap kayo. You may now kiss the bride.